Hi class, it's Miss Michaela, and we are going to be going over our lesson plan that we just did, the science lesson plan on the 5 different senses. So at the end of the lesson, I had you guys take a assessment to just gauge where you're at in knowing your 5 senses, and that was on Socrative. So now we're going to go over our answers and just double check that we all know our 5 senses very well. So the first step that I had you guys do was you all had a different type of object. Some had pieces of paper, some had rocks, some had crayons, and it doesn't matter which type of object you had, but you were using your sense of touch. So when we're doing that, you were using your sense of touch, and you were feeling different things, different soft things, cold, hot, sharp things, and you all had different things to touch. So the second step we had was when I pulled out the whistle and I blew on the whistle. And then I had you guys plug your ears and I blew on the whistle again. And that was for you guys to use your sense of hearing. And when we plugged our ears, it showed us how our hearing can change when your ears are manipulated. So the next one we did was when I passed out snack. And snack was for all of us to use our sense of taste. So we used our sense of taste when we ate the snack. All our little taste buds on the tip of our tongue help us taste the food. Next thing I had us do was the next step. We passed out the flowers, and you all, what's your first instinct? You all put it right up to your nose, and you used your sense of smell to smell the flowers. And there's a lot of different types of smells. There's good smells and bad smells, and we talked about how the trash smells different than the flowers. And the good smells are the flowers. And lastly, we looked around the room and we looked at all the pictures that were hanging and the words and everything that was up on the walls. And when we were doing that, we used our sense of sight. So we used our sense of sight, and then we had our sunglasses and we put them on, and the sunglasses represented how our sight can change and how we can all see differently. So those were our 5 different senses, and I hope this video helps you understand them just a little bit more.